Hey guys, it's Celeste, and so today I am going to the city. Hey guys, we're in the car with my cousin Les, and we're on our way to the train station for our day in the city. So see you guys when we get to the train station. Okay, so we just got to the train station. So we're getting our ticket. We made it on the train. Is it on me? We made it on the train, and we're starting to move. We're off. We just arrived to Central Islip, and we've still got a long way to go. And now we're in Brentwood. We're in Deer Park now, and I'll probably see you guys in a few more stations. Okay, finally made it to Penn Station, and we're going down 8th Avenue.
A cup of these lovely looking ones. I mean, he liked them last I heard. Yeah. And a lemonade, please.
We're in Ripley's Believe It or Not, and it's actually kind of creepy in here, but I'm learning stuff. It's scary. This is the room we're in. Oh my god.
Hey, look, the mice are having tea. Ouch!
Yeah, even the bathroom looks cool. Hey guys. Like, look at the stalls.
I'm responsible.
It could take hundreds of years, but eventually Mars could have a reawakening. It seems far-fetched.
Words of wisdom.
Huh. Hello, my name's Josh. Whoa, that makes me really dizzy. I don't want to go in there. Ah, we made it. That was actually kind of cool.
Did you like it?
Yeah, but that was really fun. We're here. We're at the sugar factory, and it's so nice right here. Guys, look at it. Oh my gosh. We just walked into this like kiosk little mini street. It's so cute. Okay, so my camera died. It's on my phone now. And we're about to be entering the restaurant Hard Rock. And we'll be eating very soon. We made it. Our appetizer came. Our meals have come. I know. We just finished eating. Now we're in the gift shop. We are officially in Times Square, and it's so pretty in Broadway. Now we're gonna go inside the Hershey's store. Thank you. We're back on the streets and we're on our way to the musical. We're gonna see Wicked. So I'm excited. And the city is so pretty when it's dark outside. And we're almost there. There's Wicked. That's where we're going. We're gonna see if we could take the subway to Penn Station after the play. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we decided not to take the subway back to Penn Station. So after the play, we're just gonna walk to Penn Station and then go home. So our trip is almost over, but first we gotta see Wicked. So that's what we're gonna do pretty soon. So pretty. Alright guys, we made it and they don't allow videos, so I'll see you guys probably after Wicked, and then after that we'll be heading home. So yeah, I'll see you after the show. Okay guys, we just finished seeing Wicked. It was the best play I've ever seen, like I'm not even kidding. So now we're just gonna take another half-hour walk to Penn Station and we're gonna be outie. Right now we're at West 38th Street and we have about 15 minutes to get to our train on time. And we have to get to like 31st Street.
34th we're gonna call.
So we're running. I think we can do this. This is so fun. We're running to Penn Station. Literally running. We're running on the street. We're gonna make it. We're gonna catch our train. What street are we on?
I don't know. 44.
44? We have to be at 41?
32.
Oh,
31, 32.
that's not too bad. We're at 30. We're at 34.
Penn Station, there it is.
Yes! We made it, guys! We're gonna make it to our train! We made it. Penn Station, we made it! We made it. Well, we didn't make it yet until we get on our train. Both of my shoes are untied again. It's okay, because we made it. We found Long Island Railroad, and we're going, hopefully, to our train. Let's pray that we didn't miss our train. Going down the escalator. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a fully loaded train. Oh my gosh. So many people. So many Ranger fans. Because the Ranger game just ended. So now there's so many Ranger fans trying to catch the train.
Sorry. My condolences. Neither was I. Slowly getting through, people. We have to get on the train in 7 minutes, and we can't get through, people. We might not be able to catch our train. We might have to take the later train. Going down the stairs. Les, is that our train? Yeah.
Guys, we made it to our train! Alright. We made it on our train, but we might have to stand. Okay, we're on the train. And we're going home. I think we're in Brentwood. How many more stations do we have?
3?
Like 3. We'll be home. It's like...
We're at Brentwood, we have CI, and then I think we're on top, maybe 2 more.
Okay. What time is it?
11:30.
And it's 11:30. So we won't get home for like another hour.
Hopefully our call will turn into a pumpkin.
Alright guys, I am finally home. It is currently 12:14 in the morning. So yeah, that was my day in the city and also my very first vlog. So I hope you guys like it, and comment down below if I should make a separate vlogging channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.